The ultimate Uoozeecom reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're exploring online shopping platforms, most people get this wrong by assuming all sites offer the same deals. The surprising truth about Uoozeecom is that it combines a wide range of products with competitive pricing, making it a go-to for budget-conscious shoppers. First, navigate the home page. You won't believe how user-friendly it is. Categories are clearly listed, from electronics to fashion and home essentials. This makes browsing quick and intuitive, even if you're in a hurry. Next, check product details. Most people get this wrong by skipping descriptions. On Uoozeecom, every item includes detailed specifications, dimensions, and customer ratings to ensure you make informed decisions. Look at shipping options. The surprising truth is that Uoozeecom provides multiple shipping methods, often including express delivery, with tracking available to monitor your package every step of the way. Finally, rate user reviews. You won't believe how valuable they are. Customers share insights on quality, delivery speed, and product satisfaction, giving you a realistic expectation before purchase. In conclusion, Uoozeecom can take you from 0 to pro in online shopping. By exploring categories, reviewing product details, monitoring shipping, and reading user feedback, you maximize your buying experience. Smart shopping here saves time, money, and hassle, making it a platform worth considering for everyday needs.